Lord, you made me glad. Can I ever be sad? Your works for me, great indeed they are. And I thank you, Lord, for your grace thus far. Lord, I praise, Lord, I love your most precious name. Lord, I praise, Lord, I love your most precious name. You are my strength, you are my song, you are my joy, for you I long. You are my light, you are my might, you are my light, my friend and guide. You wiped all my tears, you removed all my fears. You kept from evil my soul.